Good afternoon, Brian with Grand Roofing. It's going to be another late day, day 2 of this project we're trying to wrap up on. So if you're watching this video, this is well after the fact. We're on a job here that was utterly destroyed by somebody. So if you're watching this, you've probably just seen that video come out public. We're going to do a quick walkover. We're up against the clock here, try to get this done. I'm going to have to wrap up a couple little things tomorrow, but we'll have everything roofed out and dried in. So we're going to do a quick walkover. If you are watching this for the first time and not seen the other, unfortunate circumstance, this homeowner got taken advantage of with an absolute terrible job. Some of the biggest things were they didn't know what they were doing. And on the front here, they tore off the front, took pictures, and told the property owners that they had tore off all the back and everything was good to go. When in reality, what they did is they simply put paper over the old roof. This was completely stripped down, as well as the front. We got pictures documenting it. Everything they had was roofed really crooked. If you look down there, they're straight. Everything's been measured out good. Sawdust, we still got to clean down everything. We had to fix rotten wood, kickouts, gutters destroyed, ripped down. Got to still get those up. This bottom down here, we've got not just the trim cedar boards, the rough cut cedar, got a kick out put out. The soffit underneath was destroyed, all rotten, all that's done. The bay window was completely roofed wrong, like horrible. Just, it was a disaster. I still got to get in, get these papers, stickers taken off and clean up inside a little bit. The home's vacant, can't get in there currently. All new counter flash on the chimney, everything's been ground, new damper vents. Whoever did this before, again, if you saw the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen the video, check it out. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh. So right down up under this section here, got all the counter flash done in here. They literally ran a roof of shingles up over all this, never flashed it, never did counter flashing. I mean, it's a complete con job, okay? It's really dusty right here. First load of trash was basically the back brand new roof layer, including all the old layer they went over and all the paper. That load alone was like over 7 ton taken in. This now is the front one layer and all the leftover trash. Gutters all over here, not gonna go to the landfill, they're gonna be recycled. I gotta even take away the pile of trash that the previous roofer left. It was horrible. All the valleys are done, straight, square, pushed down. Patterns are good. Nail set, offset, pattern, keyway, stagger pattern. I mean, they had no idea what they were doing. But just want to do a real quick follow-up video of this, that yes, we're doing what we can to get this roof back in working order so the home can be sold, because they got taken advantage of. So, don't rush to make a choice on a contractor. Really do your best to see if the contractor is competent enough to do the job. This guy, I did find out later, after the fact. The original video I shot, I had no idea who it was. I did find out. I'm not gonna say, it's not my job to. But if they're on social media and they got all their comments shut off, that's probably a dead giveaway right there. They don't know what they're doing. Because people are like saying, hey, you're wrong, hey, you're doing that bad, hey, you're tearing it up. And the comments are straight shut off. Anyway, I don't want to babble, and I got more to do. I still got to get stuff going and get my truck emptied out so I can wrap this job up. We'll have the roof all complete. We've got other wood down here. The guy's still on the other end working on that. The counter flash over there, the brick wall's done. So we got a little bit more to do, maybe an hour, and they'll be out of here. I got to come back, get everything tidied up, cleaned out inside, peel the stickers, get the trash out of here, relocate for another job for the guys in the morning. It's been a busy, absolute busy 2023. All right, you're probably not gonna be able to hear me, so appreciate you watching. If you haven't seen the first video, check it out. I'll try to link it down below or tag a card if I can. And as always, until next time, be safe. We'll see you in the next video. Give it a thumbs up too, appreciate it. I see this stuff happening way too often. I've commented on it, and unfortunately, there's other viewers out there that saying no, it's happening in their hometowns too. So there's people everywhere doing this, and it's really bad. So share this video. You know somebody getting a roof done, tag them, share it, send it to them. Try to help support the channel because I really want to do some good and give back with this. I was talking to a veteran earlier today, helped him out, had another contractor do a job, and he was like, hey, could you do me a favor and just check this out as an independent contractor? Check it out, no charge, he's a veteran, just doing it free, helping him out. I heard some cool stories, but I want to get the channel big enough, successful enough to be able to do a military veteran give back, like literally a full roof. I can't do it without your guys' support, so it does mean a lot. Please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you in the next video.